So what's up, you guys? It is TJ. I promised you guys I was going to do another video once I got my new lock extensions installed in my hair. So here you go. I'm going to do a 360 so you guys can see it. So give me a second. Ah. So what you guys think? You think she did a good job? Yeah? I think she did a good job. Her name, Marquita James. Her shop is called Naughty Spot. If you guys are in Colombia, you're looking for a loctician or someone to give you lock extensions, I highly suggest you guys use her services because she is fun. She's awesome. But it took about 8 hours, I think, to get this done. It took about 8 hours to get this done. I got to her shop around 9:30. Didn't get done until 5:30. First and foremost, what she did was she took out the lock extensions that I had already on my hair. I had lots in the back that were tiny, and what she did was she just combined them. My lock's probably about this long right here, but she combined those in the back. Afterwards, she did the installation. You know, she did the installation. While she was doing the installation, we watched Netflix, we watched Hulu, we watched a little Iyanla Fix My Life. Got a little chuckle from off that, and another movie, I think it was called Star, which was really good. Time just flew by. It didn't feel like 8 hours sitting in that chair for like 8 hours. But after she installed it, she did some type of thing to where it hurt. I was in so much pain, and I didn't want to show it on my face. I think she saw it on my face because she asked me. She's like, "You must be tender-headed," which I am. I don't know how females get braids and just sit and have their hair pulled and tugged at. And ironically, I have dreadlock extensions, so I kind of backwards with that, but I mean, I'm willing to go through pain with that for locks, for the love of locks. But after that, she did a wash, and after the wash, she gave me a deep condition. So I sat, I think, for probably about 10 minutes or 5 minutes, 10 minutes max, with the deep the conditioner in my hair. Afterwards, she twisted it. She twisted my hair, and I wanted the double strand twisters. So she gave me the double strand twist or whatnot, and I took it out when I got home because I told her I was going to take it out because I'm not the style person. I didn't like it. So, and it wasn't her. It just didn't look right on me. I don't know why. But I don't know, styles just don't look right on me. So I'm the type of guy, throw me a rubber band, I'll pull it back like this, or, I'll, wear it with a ponytail up here or something like that. But I'm just not the type of, I'm not a style type person. So, yeah, that's it, you guys. After that, she gave me, some recommendations on what products I should buy and what I should not do at this moment. But other than that, I love it. The difference is that they're a lot lighter. I think I look a little sexier with them. The other dreadlocks, they were falling apart, and you can see my real hair. Then there'll be a huge gap between my real hair and the actual lock extension. It was just so much going on, and they were always falling out. And every time I would hit myself with my own dreadlocks, and it would hurt so bad. But I'm so glad that I was able to get these done. And I tell you guys, it was worth it. It was worth it. It's worth the whole $400 that I paid for them because her work is phenomenal, and I highly recommend it. But that's it, you guys. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down in the comment section, and I will answer them. Let's get a conversation going about dreadlocks, the love of dreads, and things of that nature. But you guys enjoy the rest of your day. All right, and this is my 10th month anniversary of dreadlocks and dreadlock experience. So I was trying to hold up a whole year with the other dreadlocks, but yeah, I'm glad. I'm surprised it lasted that long. But you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Again, I'm TJ. All right.